Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with another episode of our tutorial video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to share your location using Facebook Messenger app on Android device. And now, without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, you have to open the Messenger app on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you want to send location in Messenger to any account, tap on that account. Once you're on this chat interface, and in here you have to tap on the plus icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. A dialog box will pop up. There you will see location. Tap on location and then again tap on allow location access. And in here you can start sharing your live location for 60 minutes. So the location will be only shown for an hour. So once you tap on start sharing live for 60 seconds, you have shared your live location to this specific account. So this is how you can share your location using Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.